Hey guys, this is Tyler with RevoSpin. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add your music onto the RevoSpin 360 app. So you'll go to your royalty-free music website. Alright, I'm going to show you a preview of this song. Alright, sounds good. Next I'll go ahead and download the song. Alright, once it's downloaded, I'm going to switch over to the RevoSpin 360 app. And then you're going to just go over to your basic settings, fill everything out. Once you get to this part, just hit audio file. You'll choose documents. This is the song that we just downloaded. So you'll click on it. Your song, it'll show that your song is downloaded here. And then just hit next. And then you'll create your event. Alright guys, now let's go set up our phone on the 360.